first want to show this kind of Google review on our website. Today we'll see how we can show this kind of Google review on our website. For that, I will take this website, will show Google review, one of this website section. Here is the Google review. I will take from this to show here. For this, let's do it now. I'll go plugin option. Just with one plugin we can do this. I will search Trustindex plugin. This plugin, widgets for Google review by Trustindex, we need to install it. After install done, we need to activate. So now we need to do the connection part with this plugin with our Google review. Okay, for first I will go connect Google. For that we need to get the share link from our Google Map. Here is the share link. I will copy the link from here. Now I'll go the plugin option. So I'll press connect here. New pop-up will come, and there will be one option for giving our Google Map share link. I will paste the earlier connected option. So here is come. This is our page. I will press connect here. It will take few times to connect. So it's loading. Here you can see connection is done. Now we need to do the layout part and design part. Connection is done. You can see this part gone. Now select layout. We will select layout. There is lots of layout. You can see you can select any kind of layout as per as your client demand, as per as your wish. You can select any kind of layout. You can see lots of pop-up type layout, normal layout, lots of layout. So for this we'll take this layout. We'll select this layout. I will take select. So layout selection done. Now the style section, there is few type of style like this light background. This is the light background with Trustindex verified. This symbol. This is light border. I'll select this time the first one. Okay, I'll select the first one. Select. So now layout option come. Now the basic setup option. Verify the Trustindex. From here you can select any kind of setting as per as your wish. Right now we'll take it like this. Now I'll save and get code. I will press there, and this is our Trustindex shortcode. Okay, I need to press it in our website. So now in this website I go, will show in this section the Google review. I will make one section here. So I'll take section. Now we'll take some basic header here, Google review. I will give some size, font height. Done. Now we need to take shortcode widget. Okay, shortcode widget we need to take and press here. I will give the margin top 32 px. Now I need to press the shortcode here. Okay, we'll go the Trustindex shortcode section, copy to clipboard. I do the copy part and paste it here. You can see our Google review come in this section. Now I click the publish. I am reloading the page again. You can see the section of Google review come here. You can see lots of review is auto sliding. You can select the show more height option here. It's very good plugin to show our client or our own Google Map review in our WordPress website by Elementor. Okay, by Elementor. It's very good website. From this layout you can, in future you can change layout. If you want to change layout, you can select layout from here. Again, in future if you select another layout and select save, press save, it will automatically save. It will automatically show in our website. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more and more informative video in future.